In this Rococo review of robotic ruses, where expert advisors serenade traders with infinite equity fantasies while quietly escorting accounts to fiscal extinction, I've been the mildly amused custodian running Chronos Algo EA on my own trading terminal for a respectable stretch of time. And, to my surprise, it has behaved less like a carnival barker and more like a punctual accountant. After months of observing Chronos Algo EA apply discipline over drama and structure over superstition, I find myself obliged to present this mock-formal, slightly satirical, yet entirely field-tested review of a bot that prefers steady accumulation to theatrical explosions. Ah, the ceremonial unzipping. Always a tell? The Chronos Algo EA archive opens with aristocratic restraint. A swift extract here reveals the EX4 file installation instructions and read me without theatrics. I escorted the EX4 into MT4's experts chamber, refreshed the terminal, attached Chronos Algo EA to the chart, applied the settings, and alright, it commenced operation immediately. No DLL sulking. No cryptic errors? Just the quiet confidence of a system ready to work. Now perusing MyFXBook as one might a ledger of reputations, Chronos Algo EA presents a profile that speaks in measured sentences rather than shouting slogans. Verified real account tracking, consistent equity growth climbing beyond the 200% gain region, and drawdown maintained within sensible bounds, signaling restraint rather than recklessness. The equity curve ascends with composure, punctuated by healthy pauses instead of panic dips, which tells me Chronos Algo EA understands market rhythm rather than chasing every flicker of price. Trade statistics show a win rate comfortably above average, profit distribution spread across numerous executions rather than one lucky outlier, and expectancy per trade remains positive even after broker costs. Withdrawals appear cleanly, deposits are transparent, and the monthly analytics reveal stable contributions month after month, not a single month miracle propped up by volatility abuse. What stands out most is behavioral discipline. Chronos Algo EA steps aside during unfavorable conditions, resumes when structure returns, and compounds quietly, which is precisely how long-term automation earns trust instead of screenshots. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Running Chronos Algo EA on MT4 with quality tick data shows a grounded confirmation of live behavior. Initial deposit at $1,000. Total net profit around $646. Profit factor near 1.8. Trade count sufficient for statistical relevance. And drawdown staying within reasonable limits. No fantasy math, no suspicious spikes, just numbers that align with what the live data already implies. So, wrapping this up, after living with Chronos Algo EA through real market conditions rather than weekend optimism, I can say it earns credibility by being predictably disciplined rather than loudly impressive. This specific bot is available on our website, and to know more about setup details and performance context, simply check the description. For ongoing updates, shared insights, and practical discussions around Chronos Algo EA, joining the Telegram group is the natural final act. That's where informed traders compare notes instead of chasing noise. Alright then, that's my review. Tested, tempered, and quietly effective.